Welcome, students! This video will be extremely helpful for you Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of cells. Our teacher will guide you step by step through mitosis and the Calvin cycle. Let's dive in! Mitosis is the process of cell division that creates two identical daughter cells. Here you can see all 5 stages that every student must understand clearly.
During interphase, the cell prepares itself for division. DNA is copied and the cell grows in size. This is a crucial step before the actual mitosis begins.
In prophase, chromosomes become visible and start condensing. Then, in metaphase, they align perfectly at the cell's equator, preparing for separation.
Anaphase pulls the chromosomes apart to opposite ends of the cell. Finally, in telophase, 2 new nuclei are formed, marking the end of mitosis.
Next, we explore the Calvin cycle, a process in chloroplasts that converts carbon dioxide into glucose. It's the heart of photosynthesis. The Calvin cycle has 3 stages: carbon fixation, reduction, and regeneration of RuBP. ATP and NADPH provide the energy to turn CO2 into glucose, the plant's food. To summarize, mitosis helps cells divide, ensuring growth and repair, while the Calvin cycle powers life by creating glucose. Understanding these processes is key to mastering biology.